Hey, welcome back to the channel, my people. We are checking Macy's Toys R Us deal thingy now. Okay, the music is really loud, so I have to talk over the music. Apparently they have other things, right? There's a Monster Jam. Somebody said the NASCARs would be here. This is normally where the Hot Wheels were. Yeah, somebody said they have the NASCAR stuff here, the Authentics. Do see some Pokemon stuff though, some ETBs. Any prices on anything? 25 bucks for the lunchbox, 12 bucks for that. $54. Oh, I see. 15% off, limited time. Okay, this is awful. This Toys R Us stuff, what a gimmick. There's nothing good here. It's the same junk that I saw the last time I was here. I mean, there's nothing. Like, there's not even anyone working in this section to be like, hey, do you know about this? Do you know about that? Okay, I did just stop at the grocery store, lunchtime, grab a sandwich or something. They do have a little Hot Wheels section here. Let's see, Batmobile. The Braille car, international. Oh wow, weird. It has the symbol like still, even though it's international. Love the little Sylvie. That thing is great. Ooh, Barbie car. Somebody was asking about that on the Whatnot show. Thank you everybody who showed up, man. It's always a party. The vibes are so good. Ooh, Camaro. That would have been awesome. There's nothing here, right? Escort. All right, whatever. Oh yeah, that's cool. The Zonda in white. I don't think I got any. Okay, this is going nowhere. I'm so exhausted. I was really hoping this $1.25 tree would have something cool. Well, I guess that's not terrible. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at this little Hot Wheels case, dude. We saw the cases here at this same store. Wow, Sean needs this for his customs, dude. Can carry this around and have your customs in a real Hot Wheels race zone since 1968. Wow, the origin year is right on the box. Original stunt brand. How well does it close? Not too bad. Not too bad. How many times could you open it? I don't know. I'm not going to test it. I am kind of bored, but I'm not going to test it. Okay. Don't ask me how. But I did just find this end case, dude. I'm going to hang all of... Oh, it's the Best Buy exclusives again. Dude, that's crazy. Obviously, somebody like either went through it or put a bunch of cases together. I don't know. It's tough to say. Scoopra. Ooh, the card is bad. The card is bad. Let's do a little look in here. Ooh, another Porsche. Oh, the card, because who did this? Who jammed up everything in here like this? Good thing I looked around a little, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, the cards are so bad on those Porsches. What a shame, dude. I'm just gonna set the Best Buy ones off to the side, I guess. We'll see what's in here. Hopefully we see an Audi. That would be cool. All this stuff. Oh, the Dodge van. Wow, the cards are ruined. Maybe down in the bottom they'll be a little nicer. Lightning bug. Okay. Fleetline. I haven't seen... Oh, there's an Audi. Darn. Hopefully that's not the Audi we're looking for, and there's another one. Oh, this is weird. Oh, they're all stacked up weird. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right, here we go. Dodge van, let's see. I mean, I don't think I even want any of those exclusives, to be honest. Pagani. Oh yeah, weird. What a weird deal. Volvo. Another Honda. There's a McLaren. Another van. The Best Buy exclusive cars can only be found everywhere. Okay, I got down to the bottom of the case here. These are the exclusives, plus we have that Porsche. I don't know, the cards aren't that great. I don't think I'm gonna get any. There's no Subaru. Could it have been replaced for an exclusive? Of course, it's absolutely possible. Doesn't normally happen, but it certainly could have. All right, let's see what we got here. Porsche, van, McLaren, van, so Honda, McLaren, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I miss a Honda somewhere? That is a no. I did not miss a Honda. All right, well, let's check the Porsches. I mean, they're not That's not great. It's probably the best one. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know if it's worth spending the $1.25 on these or what. Oh, interesting. We have a code 9778NA. It doesn't have 3 letters. It's got 4 numbers. Okay, I just stopped by one more grocery store. Mustang SVO, Mario Kart. Okay, we got, it looks like B case, I guess. Anyway, you should have seen all the toys at that $1.25 tree that were not on the pegs. I probably should have kept looking, but I got lucky with the one, so I settled for that. Nothing's here, dude. I'm done. Let's go open the RLC Lambo, man. Hey, my people, welcome to Chill and Chat with the Florida Man, huh? All right, that's what I came up with for now. We're gonna use that. Show and tell is cool, we'll still use that, but let's chill and chat with the Florida Man, and Hat Mike is here, of course. Like I said, Mattel actually replaced the Lamborghinis, and you wouldn't believe it, they actually used tape this time. There was tape on the box, unbelievably. There's all 3 right there. Put my box cutter down. They look great. As far as I can tell, I don't see anything on the boxes. Everything looks like it's in real good condition. Let's pick the worst one, I guess. I don't know. They're all pretty nice. They're all pretty nice. I'm so curious if one of these was one of my original ones, because one of them was perfect. I almost didn't even want to send it back. Based on what I'm seeing here, we'll leave those 2 sealed, I think. Yeah, I'm being real picky here, I know. Alright, let's leave these 2 sealed. Alright, that's fine. Yeah, let's leave those 2 sealed. So, like I was saying, they were supposed to show up here at the new place. I even called Mattel to forward the address. Unfortunately, they had shipped that same day I called, so they weren't able to change the address. They were supposed to be Smart Post, which means FedEx would transfer them to USPS, and then great, USPS is forwarding my mail, so boom, we would have been okay. Unfortunately, it got just straight delivered by FedEx. There was no handover to Smart Post. I was watching the tracking on my phone, and boom, it said delivered about 5 minutes ago. It had a picture of this box sitting on the porch at the old house. Dude, I hustled. I ran over. I don't know if the new owner was there. I just know that my box was sitting there with my name on it. Opened the porch, grabbed it. Boom, all 3 Lambos replaced, man. Normally they would just give you a refund for this type of scenario, especially after this long. It's been months. When did we get these? I'll have to look at the thumbnail. Is this the one I said I would never order RLC again? That when I went live? Obviously, that was just a little clickbait of a thumbnail, but you get it. Or a title. I don't normally do clickbait, but, you know, every once in a while you got to do it. You know what I'm saying? Here it is. Beautiful 2022 selection series. I did get to vote on attributes, the color, the wheels. I wanted a chrome wheel. Wow. That's nice, man. That's nice. I'm trying to see if there's any like fingerprints or anything. Is there any indicator that this is not a brand new item? No, but from what I can see, it looks fine, man. There she is, the blue RLC Lambo. A little closer up look for you there. Yeah, I arranged the light in a way that you should actually be seeing the item this time. And hopefully it's nice and in focus for you. We can pop the top. I always forget that these are mine, and we can do that. These are very tricky. You have to push on the little tabs sometimes. They're so tough to get off. They're so hard to remove, these covers. Wow, the car is screwed in with Phillips head screws. I can't open it. Oh my gosh, oh, there we go. Okay, so one side opened. Can we do both? Come on. I don't want to break you. Oh my gosh, why has this got to be so hard? It's plastic. Plastic on plastic. Try some toolage. I don't want to scratch anything. Hopefully this pops it off. Oh, come on. Okay, that was legit close to impossible. Impossible. I literally just had to yeet it. I just had to yeet it and get it off of there. But, wow. Man, that's nice, huh? Oh, no. Oh, it's okay. The doors are awful. Look at this door. Look at that. Look at that. It's so, look at how, oh gosh, the doors are awful. They really are. Look, I can't even get this one to come up. Come on, you could do it. Will they stay up? The doors are awful. They're so cheap, I feel like they're gonna break easily. Easily. They're so loose. Look at that. Look at the way it went in. It didn't even, oh gosh, that's awful. And there's some weird paint going on in there. You just never know what you're gonna get spending all this money on these higher end cars, and you have to hope they're okay. But there's a bunch of like stuff in the paint. I see a bunch of scratches and marks. A little disappointing, honestly. But again, you get what you get, right? This is the one I chose to open. I probably should have chose to open a different one. Anyway, all good. Can't win them all. This is why I said I'm going to stop buying these things so much, because they're so disappointing when you open them, you know? Like, I leave most of them sealed. Like, why? Why open it and be disappointed? Just leave it in the package and know that it's in there, and you don't have to be disappointed. But it does look awesome. I voted for a chrome wheel, not a silver wheel. We did get a silver wheel. That I guess was what the votes were. I mean, they do show us the voting results. It's a little crooked on the base there for some reason. Hopefully the screws aren't stripped out. And again, touching it by the doors, oh, it makes you cringe. Oh, the doors are so bad, especially the driver. They're both awful. They're just so bad. All right, well, let's just put it all back together and put it in some bin and never, ever look at it again. That's why I didn't get the Dodge van, the tradesman van. I kind of wanted it. I loved the Dodge van, especially like in Spectra Flame and stuff. It would have been cool to see it. But with all those doors and the moving parts, they don't do moving parts very well, unfortunately. Maybe someday we can open a Matchbox moving parts and kind of compare. I bet the quality is better on the Matchbox moving parts stuff than these RLC cars. I'm always disappointed when I open anything that has a hinge, a trunk, a hood. It's always awful. So anyway, that's my complaint for the day. Thanks for letting me rant. Thank you everybody who came into the Whatnot live show. Really appreciate you. I am going to pull all of the 32 Ford Super Treasure Hunts, all 4 of them. If you saw yesterday's video, we did find another one in the wild. Didn't even have to crack a case. Boom. Turn a couple cars over, I saw it right away. I saw the teal. It was unbelievable. I was so excited because that's my favorite Super, I think, from last year. I mean, obviously the Civic, the gold Civic, but I love the Golf livery cars. They just have such a nice look to them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video, my people. I know it was a little quick. I know it wasn't that exciting, but we still had some fun. We got to hang out, a little chill and chat with the Florida man. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video, my people. I will see you in the next one.